Good morning, sir, madam. I am Ena Gris Cañada, 41 years old, single, high school graduate. I've been work in Jordan as a domestic helper within 2 years, and also I've been work in Qatar as a domestic helper within 2 years. I like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money and I will support my families.
Okay, Miss Cañada, there are some questions for you to answer. If baby cries at midnight, what will you do?
Well, I will check the baby. Maybe she is hungry or she had a fever or she's not feeling well.
Okay. If the house is on fire and you are inside with the children, what will you do?
Well, I will take away the children to save them, and then I will call the nearest fire station and I will call my employer.
Okay, Miss Cañada, what will you do with the clothes before washing?
I will take out from the machine and then I will put outside to dry.
Okay. If you find some money or jewelry in the employer's clothes or in their room, what will you do?
Well, to be honest, I will return to my employer.
Miss Cañada, what is your promise to your future employer if they will choose you to be their helper?
Sir, madam, you choose me to be your helper. I promise you I do my best and my responsibilities. Thank you, sir, madam. Have a nice day.